Good afternoon and a very warm welcome back to the channel. Today's going to be a good day. It's new bike day. So I'm just riding into Sycamore Royal Enfield in Peterborough. I'm super excited to be picking up my brand new Royal Enfield Bear today. It's a little bit bittersweet though, because it's going to be, today I'm going to be saying goodbye to my Triumph Street Triple. I've absolutely loved this bike and I've cherished it for the last 8 years, and ultimately I'm going to be sad to see it go, but I'm sure as soon as I jump on the Bear, all of my thoughts about the Triple will very quickly go. But yeah, funny day. Funny day. So there she is, my 2013 Triumph Street Triple. Like I say, I've owned the bike for 8 years, almost to the day now, and I actually rode past the dealership I purchased this from on the way in here, so it's a little bit bittersweet, but as soon as I see the new bike, yeah, I'm sure I'm going to fall in love with it, just like I did with this one. Let's go take a look. So here she is in all her glory. I've gone for the petrol green colourway. You can see a couple of little accessories and mods on there that I'll go through with you in a future video. But yeah, seeing this in the flesh, I don't feel quite so bad giving up the Triumph Street Triple anymore. Looks super cool. Right, let's take it for a ride. So just before we go, I'll have a quick look around the Wild Honey bike. This wasn't here last time I came here, and I was a little bit nervous when I first saw it. I thought I might like it a little bit better than the petrol green. Luckily, I don't. I still think it looks a stunning looking bike. That tank in particular. And the blue seat. Might be a little bit Marmite, but for me, yeah, looks great. Anyway, nothing admiring other bikes. Let's get out of mine. Okay folks, the first ride on the Bear. Let's start her up for the very first time. I am super excited about this. Can we get out before the DPD van? We'll have a good go. And we're off. Just 5 miles on the clock when I turn the ignition in the switch. See if she's as good as I remember. Oh, it's so smooth. So smooth. Sad saying goodbye to the Street Triple, but I am super excited to be on this. I really am. Feels so well put together, so composed around that little roundabout there. I'm so happy. What a camera pointed in my face. I'm grinning from ear to ear. This has been a long time coming. We've had issues with credit cards not being delivered on time and God knows what else, and the plan was to pick this bike up last Saturday, but unfortunately that didn't happen, but better late than never, hey? Tell you what I'm going to do folks, rather than rambling on at a roundabout, let's turn the camera off and, oh, we're going now. Okay, this is the only thing about coming home in rush hour. Okay folks, so we're just a couple of miles down the road now, and the Royal Enfield Bear is just as good as I expected it would be, if not better. Super happy that I've decided to purchase this bike. Just going to sneak through in front of this learner. Thank you, madam. So just being super cautious, of course, just running this bike in, and on new tyres as well, so nothing too crazy. I've changed the camera setting today, so hopefully this isn't flickering. If it is, apologies about that, guys. When I get the bike home and can try a couple of different settings, I'll make sure that is ironed out for future videos. Okay folks, so just going to fill her up for the first time. See how much fuel she takes. Let's be honest, a bike like this, it doesn't really matter too much. You're going to ride it if you want to ride it, but we can learn together. That petrol filler cap is reassuringly heavy. So the fuel light just came on as I pulled in here. 12 quid, 9 litres, so not too bad. Okay folks, you joined me about 5 miles further down the road, riding home through the little village of Thorney. Of course I rode this way with the Triumph Street Triple, obviously now riding back on the Royal Enfield Bear. And I've had so much fun in this short journey so far. Do not regret my decision one little bit. I'll be honest guys, when I was riding over it on the Triple I was thinking, have I made the right decision? I knew I loved the Bear, but I do like that Triumph as well, but yeah, super happy with this. It's not going to be a crazy long video today guys, I'll be honest. My intention was to film a little bit more at the dealership, but I really just wanted to enjoy the experience, take a little bit of time for myself, so it's going to be a bit of a short one. Hopefully you guys liked it, the introduction to the bike. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. There's going to be lots more videos to come on the channel of this bike. I want to talk about running the bike in. I want to talk about all the accessories and the modifications that I've made to the bike, and any plans for the future should that happen. I want to talk about the plus sides of the bike. I want to talk about the potential downsides. At this moment in time I love the bike. I've only done 5-6 miles on it, but I'm sure there will be a couple of little kind of niggles that I have with the bike. If I do get those, I'm going to talk to you about it. I'm going to talk about the running process. I'm going to talk about the service, anything Royal Enfield Bear related. This is the place to be. So like the video, make sure you subscribe. If you originally came here for Royal Enfield Himalayan content, do not worry, that content is not going anywhere at all. The next 2 or 3 videos on the channel are going to be all about the Bear, but I pre-recorded some Interceptor, pre-recorded some Himalayan content on the green lanes, and there's definitely videos of that coming soon. Hope you enjoyed the video, hope you're super excited for me to have this Bear on the channel. I certainly know I am. As always guys, thank you all so very much for watching. Take care, ride safe, until the next time, goodbye.
Secret star.